I've really fallen in love with Koh Chang. You've probably guessed I spend so much time on this island, but it's pure escapism from town life, where I've spent most of my time in Thailand. You know, the pressures of work, sometimes it's nice to escape, and walking around a shopping centre to unwind is not my idea of unwinding. So anyway, let me turn the camera around. We're back at a waterfall which is on the east side of the island, which is the more quiet side. Koh Chang is mainly made up of national park, and there's lots of waterfalls you can discover, some of which you have to pay a national park fee. This is not such one. You see these pipes, so people are getting their fresh water right from the top. So I've been on this island for over a month, and the inconsistency in water here, based on the storms and rains, is really quite remarkable. The water looks fairly decent. I'm going to look down, so I don't fall. There's 5 levels to this waterfall. You can see stage 1 there, which the kids are almost there, so I'm going to catch up with them. For me, I found my calling. I just love being out in nature. Whether it's the sun beating down on my shoulders, or even the rain pouring down and witnessing an electrical storm over a bay here on the island. It's just awesome. And one of the pleasures of life, just the beauty and nature around us. Let's see if I can jump here. Oops! Is the water cold? Honestly, with so many problems going on in the world, to come to a respite, isolated paradise with not a soul inside is wonderful. If you look carefully, you may see some small fish. They are there, easier to see with the naked eye. Let me get a bit closer. Some of them are like the little sucker fish. You can feel them on your feet, sucking away, cleaning all your dead skin if you're not cleaned yourself properly. Are you going to go in, Frank?
No, fish will bite me. I don't want to.
The fish are biting you?
I have cut in my feet.
You got a cut in your feet, have you?
So many fish that bite me.
There are lots of fish, isn't there? Wonderful way to spend a Sunday.
Oh, my old spider!
Big spider? Don't kill it then, Frank. Okay, so there are 5 levels to this waterfall, and actually the most impressive is right up the top. But for today, I'm just going to stay here, have a swim, because this water is icy cold and beautiful. So, stay safe, and I hope to see more of you here back in Thailand and on my favourite island, Koh Chang, very soon.